Rice cake machine SYP4509. Titanium coated mold, thin crispy type for Ukraine. Wow. Very crispy. 네. Yes, war. Good, very good.
아, 여기부터 하도 바뀌게? 두개 다 들어간다고 그래가지고.
Okay, this is set temperature and this is present temperature. You can adjust the temperature with this button. And 4 switches, heater, pump, automatic operation, and manually you can up and down the mold by this switch. And 3 dial controllers. First one is the speed, 4.7. Second is thickness, 0.0 for thin crispy type. And the depth of core. Let's do the surface of the rice cake. 1.5. The first setting for thin crispy type. And pressure. That's around 90. Black power. Yes, 90. After set, let's check the pressure. You had better close the pressure gauge to use longer. This is emergency button. Put it stop the machine. Okay, and 3 solenoid valve to provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the mold movement. And triple phase motor and pump and oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. This white rice and brown rice mix. And it's a feeding plate. When you go forward, that proxy sensor, red light is turned off. Come back fully to the end, is turned on again. Go forward, turn off, and come back, turn on. Otherwise, you cannot go to the next step. Drive motor and gear head, the spring for the feeding plate. It's the oil valve, aluminum block. It's a solenoid valve, and check valve and leaf valve. Leaf valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench inside and turn clockwise, increase pressure. Unclockwise, decrease pressure. Open oil tank. Control box here. This is inverter. The 6000 reset button here. This is SSR and temperature controller. This is take a roll to keep the stable temperature. Breaker and contactor relays on PCB. PCB is the brain of this machine. And this is a change of the type, thin and normal type. Oil tank, hydraulic oil, 20 liters inside. Very nice. All right.